Hi everyone, my name is Andrea and I'm one of the physical therapists that works here as spine and rehab specialist. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about obesity. Now, I think most of us know how big of a condition obesity is and how bad it affects our health. But in case you didn't know, I'm just going to give you a little bit of information. So in the United States of America, 42% of their citizens are considered to be overweight or obese. That's a really big number. Now, I'm not going to talk to you necessarily about how bad it is, but I want to talk to you about two specific conditions that can be related to obesity. One of them is low back pain, and the other one is knee pain. And how we can be able to help you a little bit with those conditions. So, having obesity or experiencing obesity is completely related to developing knee pain. So it's actually one of the risk factors to developing knee osteoarthritis. So it's one of our concerns with patients that suffer from obesity. The other one, low back pain, although it's not caused by obesity, meaning not because you have a condition of obesity means that you're going to have low back pain, but definitely can worsen the ability for you to get better, or it can worsen the effects of it. Now, with that being said, what can I do for you if you suffer from either one of those conditions? Either you're obese and you have low back pain, or you're obese and you have knee pain. Well, physical therapy can help. How can we help you? We can modify the type of activities that you do so it's easier for you to exercise and it's easier for you to recover from those injuries. And I want to talk a little bit about one specifically. That's aquatic therapy. Aquatic therapy has shown to be a good intervention for patients that have knee pain or low back pain, and specifically for those patients that are obese, as it allows them to unload their body and have them move with more ease and less pain. So stay tuned for more information about this. We're going to be having some workshops on that and how else we can help you.